Imagine a tool that transforms dreams into reality. Imagine Bildigo. In the world of architecture, every line, shade, and texture communicate a meaning in the design. These elements not just build structure, they shape experiences, evoke emotions, and bring the vision to life. But capturing and presenting these complex details isn't always easy. What if it could be different? Imagine starting a project with your drawings fitting perfectly into intuitive templates, where you can stylize all your drawings with just a few clicks and change it effortlessly without having to start over from scratch. Imagine being able to easily add life to your design, enriching it with people, furniture, trees, and a huge variety of other assets. Simply select, drag, and drop. Imagine working together with your colleagues collaboratively in real time through the cloud. Imagine a tool that transforms dreams into reality. Imagine Bildigo.